Welcome, feline enthusiasts, to our perfect journey through the mesmerizing world of cat breeds. Beauty is subjective, but here are 10 cat breeds that are often considered particularly stunning. Sphynx. While their lack of fur might not appeal to everyone, Sphynx cats have a striking, alien-like appearance that many find fascinating. Egyptian Mouse. Known for their spotted coats and large, expressive eyes, Egyptian mouse are often likened to the cats of ancient Egypt. Norwegian forest cat. With their bushy tails, tufted ears, and thick fur, Norwegian forest cats have a rugged beauty reminiscent of their Nordic origins. Scottish fold. Their distinctive folded ears give Scottish folds a unique and adorable appearance that many find charming. Ragdoll. Ragdolls are large, affectionate cats with striking blue eyes and silky, semi-long fur. Siberian. Known for their thick, water-repellent fur and stunning green eyes, Siberian cats have a regal presence. Bengal. With their leopard-like spots and sleek bodies, Bengal cats have a wild and exotic appearance. Maine Coon. These majestic giants boast tufted ears, bushy tails, and impressive size, making them a sight to behold. Siamese. With their striking blue almond-shaped eyes and sleek bodies, Siamese cats are undeniably captivating. Persian. Known for their luxurious long fur and distinctive flat faces, Persian cats exude elegance.